Poshy people. So I just got home and this amazing package was sitting on my doorstep. So I cut it open, but I have not opened it yet. And I'm going to do an unboxing. Oh, sorry, finger. I'm going to do an unboxing because I have not done one in a while. So here we go. What do we got? I actually have ordered quite a bit in the last few weeks because I'm kind of stocking up for vendor events. So I'm not even sure what is all in this one. And we've been doing, hi Nina, I'll see you in a little bit at work. So I'm not even sure what's in this one because I've done a few orders in the last few weeks. Oh, here we go. Yep, so this is definitely a stock up. So one of the first things is I got one of the Tribe Vibe Shea Sisterhood. This is one of our new soaps to support our Shea Butter Sisterhood in Ghana, Africa. And it's also the soap that if you purchase it, I will donate $10 to Josh's World Vision campaign for his marathon. So this is the Tribe Vibe soap. It's very similar to Gender Bender, but it's got more shea butter and less kind of charcoal. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. So it's traditional African black soap. Pretty cool. So that's one of those. And then a couple more soaps. So I stock up on soaps for vendor events because a lot of people purchase them. So I got a Milking It. I got one of the Jungle Juices, which is a really fun one. And then I've got a pack as we get into holiday season here. I got some Holly Jolly samples because everybody loves Holly Jolly. It smells like Christmas in a bag, in a soap. It is so awesome. It makes my office smell really good when I have these stored in my office. And I just set one in our bathroom and let it like just smell up, scent up the whole bathroom like Christmas. It's amazing. So I got 2 packs of those because I like to give them out. And then I got a couple of hand creams, Nice Melons, one of our Big Fat Yummy hand creams. This is one of our newest ones. So our scent, oh, if I can, there we go. Melon, mango, and strawberry. So very melony scented. Nice. And then a fan favorite, Little Snarky. Everybody likes Little Snarky. So we've got that. Sandalwood, exotic flowers, and sandalwood. Everyone likes this one. So I'll grab some of those. And then I got one of Twilight Zone, another one of our new ones, Melon and Plumeria. I actually used this one last night while I was at work, and the kids at the table were like, your hands smell good. So that one's a good one. And then this is one thing, this is for me. I got one thing for myself. This is our new swipe. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Watch me try and do this one-handed. Let's use the scissors. Hold on. Sorry, behind the scenes, you can stare at all the goodness here. Okay. Sorry. Oh, there we go. It's called Bite. So it's got the little vampire bites on there. It came out with Spooky Posh, so this is Bite, and it's kind of like a purpley. I'm excited. This is definitely for me. So nice. Oh, it's super purple. It's super fun. I like it. Oh, that's really pretty purple. I will try it on and take a photo later. But it's really pretty. So that's the Spooky Posh. It's like a deep purple. What a great color for fall. Great color for fall. And there's still some available. So this is one of our swipes. The swipes are tinted lip balm, so tinted moisturizer. So it just puts a nice little tint color on and it moisturizes. So this replaced our regular lip balm and now they're all tinted. And I think there's 4 other colors that you can get. So there we go. That is box number 1. And I actually have another box coming tomorrow. So I will do another boxing, and then I have I've done 2 bulk orders already with this sale. So I will show the 2 bulk orders too when they come in. So there you go. I hope everyone's having a great day. Bye.